Alright, hello there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to transform citation strings from our knowledge agent in Botpress into Markdown hyperlinks. This technique is not just about really making links clickable, it's also really about enhancing the readability and the interactivity of our chatbot responses. So I'll just like to show you how this can look. So we say, hey, and we just ask, who is Elon Musk? Simple question. And as you can see right here, this is what you have to look at. So this is the answer. And this is the citations we have created. And this is the citations created by the knowledge agent. So what we have here is we have the title of the citation, so this part right here, and then when you click on it, you will go to this page that is sent right here. I just really prefer this way, I think, and I find it easily a bit better for readability and just the overall user experience with our bots. So this part is really just to show you what the knowledge agent puts out, so we'll just quickly be deleting that. Now, I'd just like to address the challenge that comes with Botpress normally. So our knowledge agent, it fetches the citations from the web and it returns them as this string right here. This string contains a lot of valuable information, but it's not really immediately usable. Of course, you can click this link, but I just don't find the user experience to be that well with sending this, as you know, it says web and then it says page title. So I'll be solving this by converting them into Markdown links. So we'll be using a JavaScript function to pass the citation strings and reformat them into Markdown. This method right here ensures that users can easily interact directly with the cited sources, and this really just improves the user experience. Now, this solution right here revolves around this JavaScript function called convert to Markdown link. And this function uses this regular expression to find and extract titles and the URLs from the citation strings. So each citation is being processed to find matches that are regular expression, find matches to our regular expression. And it does that by extracting the title and the URL. These are then formatted as Markdown links compiled into an array that we have called Markdown links. And finally, we join them. We join the links with a new line, and I've added one singular new line for readability. You can add another new line if you want to separate them even further. I just found it to be a bit long if it returns a lot of citations. So yeah. To integrate this function into your Botpress workflow, simply just assign the output, which is what we have done right here, to a workflow variable. Now, my workflow variable is called citations. It's just a simple string. And yeah, what we want to do then is just send this in our message right here. And this is just going to display the formatted Markdown links that we created. So when presenting these Markdown links, I believe that it's crucial to ensure that they are clear and easy to interact with. This might involve some styling choices in your chat interface to make these links visually distinguishable and accessible. You can do this in the Botpress style sheet, which I will provide a link to. So an essential part of any code is also error handling. I have set up this simple part right here, where basically if we get no answer from our knowledge agent, it will go over to this code before running this node before running our code right here and sending these useful links, as there's no reason to do this if it doesn't provide an answer, since there will be no citations to do it from. Now, what I'm just saying here is sorry that I wasn't able to find an answer for that, and then a sad smiley. You can really do whatever. You can add some fallback with maybe ChatGPT or something else. But yeah, because else it will just send these useful links and then nothing. So yeah, but you should also look into making something if it didn't actually find any citations, if Botpress didn't include them for some reason. And also in the future, Botpress might adjust the format that they are sending out their citations in. Right now, as you can see right here, it says page title and then the page title. And we can also search for the HTTPS right here to get the link. But if they restructure this, if they say just title or something, you will have to go in and edit this part to basically just match their format. I will also do this if I can remember I made this tutorial. Depends on if they do it a few years from now or if they do it a week from now. So yeah, just implement some extra error handling and also make sure that it's easy for the user to actually see the links, and they'll be easily distinguishable. I cannot say that word right now, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'll just quickly show you how this will look in a web chat. So as soon as this is published, meanwhile, I can let you know that in our knowledge agent, we have answer manually off. You can easily add answer manually. I'll just do this without publishing. Now, the way this will look is I'll just add 2 new lines like this, and we'll say turn.knowledgeagent.answer. If you're not doing this usually, you don't have to at all. What this will do is, instead of it sending a new message with the useful links, it will actually just send one big message. So I'll just show you. Hey, who is Elon Musk? Oh, it wasn't able to answer that. Let me just try again. Hey, I'll just do this one. Yeah, right there. So as you can see in the same message, you might prefer this, you might prefer to have another message. That is why I am showing you both options. But now let's see how this works in the web chat. So right here we'll say hey, and we'll ask who is Elon Musk. Perfect. And as you can see right here, it gave us a new message, and you can add this to the first message. But I really think this looks pretty good, especially compared to the citations returned from Botpress. I will just like to add one little sad thing here at the end. As of making this video, if you're using website as the source, as the knowledge base source, it will not work. The citations from website doesn't include a URL. So yeah, you can really not do this with it. You can only do it by using search the web. Of course, website, document, table, and rich text are not working. These 3 should be self-explanatory since they are not using the web. But you can use search the web, and hopefully if Botpress decides to add a link to the website citations, it will also work for that. The structure, the format of the citations might be different, I don't know. So keep that in mind. Now, in the search the web, you can use all of these 3. You can use search on specific websites or the entire web, or just entire web without some specific websites. And you can also use all of these filters that will not change it. So yeah, I hope you found this really helpful for your projects, and stay tuned for more tips on how to enhance your chatbot here in Botpress.